Assalamualaikum everyone, and thanks God we meet again actually in this Sunday morning like the usual before. I'll bring you the several of information still connect about jurisprudency of law in Islam or fiqh. Right, so the chapter which is going to be learned in this morning is telling us about Tashdidatul Fatihah. Tashdid can means some of diminutions in Fatihah. So let's get starting. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allif rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi ulumihi fid dharaini amin rabbi yasir wa ain. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. The new chapter, right, exactly. Tashdidatul Fatihati arba'a asyarata bismillahi fawqal lami ila akhirih. Tashdidatul Fatihati, some of diminutions or some of tashdid. Tashdid means diminutions. Some of diminutions or some of tashdid in Fatihah. How much? Arba'a asyarota is must be divided in 14 parts. So exactly we have 14 parts, right? 14 things in Fatihah that must be clear first before we are reading Fatihah. So where are they? Fauqallami bismillahi, in sentence of bismillah, fauqallami, the diminutions is locating in fauqallami, above of lam. And then ar-rahmani, and as for diminutions in sentence of ar-rahmani, fauqarra'i, diminutions is put on ro letters, right? And then ar-rahimi, as for diminutions in sentence of ar-rahim, fauqarra'i, also same with the before. This is actually diminutions in this case is locating fauqarra or above of ro letters. And then alhamdulillahi, as for sentence of alhamdulillahi, where is the diminutions of this one? Fauqalamil jalalati, the diminutions is locating above of lamul jalalah letters. And then Rabbil Alamina, as for sentence of Rabbil Alamina, where is the diminutions of this one? Fauqal ba'i, the diminutions is automatically is located above of ba letters. And then ar-rahmani, as for ar-rahmani sentence, fauqarra'i, the diminutions of in this one is located above of ro letter. And then ar-rahimi, as for ar-rahim letters, the diminution of this one fauqarra'i is located above of ro letters again. And then maliki yaumiddin, as for sentence maliki yaumiddin, where is the diminutions of this one? Fauqad dali, the diminutions is located above of dal, maliki yaumiddin. And then iyyaka na'budu, as for sentence of iyyaka na'budu, where is the diminutions of this one? Fauqal ya'i, the diminutions is locating above of ya letters. Iyyaka, diminutions is above of ya letter. Wa iyyaka nasta'in, and as for the diminutions of sentence iyyaka nasta'in, where is the diminutions of this one? Fauqal ya'i, also the same with the before. This is actually the diminutions of this one is locating to above of ya letter. Iyyaka nasta'in, iyyaka na'budu, the same positions, right? And then ihdinas siratal mustaqim, as for sentence ihdinas siratal mustaqim, the diminutions of this one where fauqasoti is locating fauqasot is locating above of sot letter. And then siratal ladhina, and as for sentence of siratal ladhina, the diminutions of this one where is it? Fauqal lami, the diminutions is locating fauqal lam or above of lam letters. And then an'amta alaihim ghairil maghdubi alaihim waladdallin, and as for the long sentence or the last sentence in this one, where is the diminutions of this sentence? Fauqad dodi, first diminutions is locating above of dot letter, waladdallin. And then secondly of diminutions is locating fauqal lami, above of lam letters. And then faslun, new chapter or new sections again. This is actually connecting the chapter before, right? Yusannu raf'ul yadaini fi arba'ati mawadi'ah. Yusannu is suggested, right? Yusannu can means is suggested for what? Raf'ul yadaini, for raising up the both of hands. Suggested for raising up the both of hands of our hands, exactly right. In where? we have to be raising up our hands fi arba'ati mawadi'a, in 4 places, right? Exactly, we have to be raising up our hands in 4 places. So what are they? Firstly, in the takbiratul ikhrami, when we are starting our prayer, or when we are making takbiratul ikhram, right? So when we are making takbiratul ikhram, automatically we have to raise our hands, both of our hands, right? And then wa inda ruku'i, secondly, wa inda ruku'i, we have to raise both of hands in where wa inda ruku, when we are bowing our back, or when we are doing ruku. Ruku can means bowing our back, right? And then number 3, wa indal i'titali, and we have to raise again our hands wa indal i'tital, when we are doing i'tital or symmetry positions, right? And then wa indal qiyami, and also we have to be raising the both of hands too when we are indal qiyam, on when we are in standing positions. I'tital can means actions that we have to do after we have to do is we have to do after, not we have to do after, right? Usually we have to do after in every single rukun. This is called by i'tital, right? But automatically in this case we have to be i'tital, or we have to be raising our hands wa indal qiyam, after we are in standing positions. Minat tasyahudi, standing positions from what? Minat tasyahudi, from doing tasyahud, right? Or from finishing tasyahud al-awali, which is the first. Automatically we have to be raising the both of hands too when we are in standing positions after we are finishing the first tasahud from sholat. Faslun syurutus sujudi wa ma'alam bisawaf.